The final installment of your brain on food is what do you eat? What do you eat, right? You got your brain foods. So brain foods, BRAINFOODS. So I'm going to go through all of them. So you got berries and beans, rainbow colors of fruits and veggies, antioxidants. I's include lean proteins and plant-based proteins. N is nuts. F is fiber-rich foods, fish and fermented foods. O is oils. Other O is omega-3 rich foods. D is going to be dairy like yogurt and kefir, certain cheeses, and S as spices. So I'm going to go into a little bit more detail on these brain foods. So we got berries and beans. So blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries all make great additions to your day and double as a dessert. Eat berries that are in season. When you buy fresh berries, make sure to eat them soon. The good ones that are ripe will not last very long, even in the fridge. And at times of the year when fresh, ripe berries aren't available, frozen berries are fine to use as long as you make sure they don't have any added sugar or other additives. Beans, legumes, and lentils are important staples for your brain, a healthy source of nutrients, vitamins, and fiber. Beans, legumes, and lentils are easy to prepare and can be a main course or an appetizer, can be added to a salad, or can even be made into a dessert. Rainbow colors of fruits and vegetables were in that R, so you want to eat as many different colorful veggies as possible. So you got red cabbage, radicchio, green and yellow peppers. Expand your palate and maximize the range of nutrients that are beneficial for your brain. This is particularly true of micronutrients like vitamins, polyphenols, phytonutrients, and flavonoids. The same applies to fruits. Berries, apples, and citrus all come in a wide variety of colors. Just be careful not to overdo it with sweet fruits like grapes and cherries. Even though I want you to chase color, don't forget the most important color, which is going to be green. Though eating a broad range of colors is great, you have to make sure you're getting enough dark leafy greens such as arugula, romaine, Bibb lettuce, and endive bok choy. Adding microgreens when you can find them is going to be also really great for you. They add a really flavorful, nutrient-dense punch to meals. Next, we got antioxidants as an A. We've covered many kinds of antioxidants throughout the blog, including berries and the polyphenols and colorful veggies we've just discussed. Dark chocolate is going to be a really good source of antioxidants as long as you stick with the dark stuff and make sure that it doesn't include too much sugar. While cocoa and chocolate are delicious, aim for natural or non-alkalized for the highest antioxidant level. Many vitamins are crucial antioxidants, and you can get vitamins from a broad range of dietary sources. This is one of the most important reasons to eat a diverse diet, but get a recommendation for a multivitamin supplement from your doctor if you're missing out on anything. I for include lean proteins and plant-based proteins. Well-sourced lean poultry, seafood, and occasional grass-fed beef are good choices to ensure you're getting plenty of protein and the essential amino acids that your brain needs to function again. Please remember that grass-fed is sure, if you can afford it, go for it, but it's not like a hit or miss thing. For plant-based sources of protein, organic tofu and tempeh can be enhanced with spices for flavor. And for nuts, have healthy fats and oils that our brains need to function well, along with vitamins and minerals. For example, selenium in Brazil nuts. Eating a quarter cup a day, not anymore, it's easy to overdo it with nuts, as a snack or added to your salad or vegetable side dish. Nuts can even be combined into a homemade granola or trail mix that contains much less sugar than the ones that are store-bought. We've got fiber-rich foods, fish, and fermented foods. So again, beans, legumes, lentils, fruit, and vegetables are great sources of fiber, and it's really important as a prebiotic, which can help keep your weight down and decrease inflammation in the entire body. As we discussed earlier, fish such as salmon add healthy omega-3s to your nutrition plan. Fermented foods like kefir, miso, and kimchi are great for your brain and gut since they're natural sources of active cultures, which is going to be a probiotic. Oils, we want to avoid excess of saturated fats and other unhealthy oils like omega-6 oils used for frying. You want to ensure you're getting enough healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocados, and oily fish. Even with healthy fats, please be aware of portion size and try not to do too much. All fats are calorie dense, but again, most of us are lacking in that anyway, so you're fine. Omega-3 rich foods, like I said, you want to get a lot of them. You want to get DHA, you want to get EPA. Are super, super important. You can get those as a supplement as well. I use Nordic Naturals personally, the vegan DHA, because that is what I was missing. I can get my other omega-3s from other sources, but that DHA, like I get plenty of EPA, I get plenty of ALA, but I needed DHA. So that I get, it's an option, a different option for like fish oils. If you're like, I don't want to take a fish oil, DHA from algae is going to be a really good supplement for you. Especially if you're a person that also doesn't like fish. So, Omega-3s, again, ALA is going to be found in your plant-based sources like chia seeds, Brussels sprouts, walnuts, and flax seeds. Then we've got dairy, so like yogurt, kefir, and certain cheeses are going to be great for probiotic cultures and good for your gut, providing you with helpful bacteria and protein. Grass-fed dairy products are better options for you and your brain. Remember that certain conditions like ADHD can be aggravated by dairy, so be aware of its negative effects as well. You may be better to do an A2 dairy than an A1. Some people do better with goat and sheep rather than cow. It's really just going to depend on your body. And your last one is going to be spices. So spices are a really good guilt-free way to boost flavor in all food while adding beneficial brain effects as well. Spices like turmeric, black pepper, saffron, red pepper flakes, oregano, and rosemary should be a part of that brain armor at all times. If you have any questions on what you should eat, feel free to comment below.